Yum. Yum. Oh my god. Mmm. Hmm. 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 That's popular. I'll be back. I almost feel like it needs a dip or something. Kind of plain. Like I was feeding them or something. They're all like landing on his hood. No thanks. Mmm. What a coffee. It's travesty. Mmm. Mmm. I know. Yum. This is not good. What the hell am I? What's wrong with me today? I am not. Today's off kilter a little bit today. Yeah, today's off kilter for sure.